Andrea, I know with this collaboration, we worked really hard to make sure that we had a range of products for all price points to meet the demands of any one of our customers. So tell us a little bit about what's in this collection.
Yes, so we're so excited to talk about the vast selection that we have, part of Home on the Range, between Federal and Duluth Pack. And so for shooting sports in particular, we have this really cool heritage vest that pairs really well with our canvas chaps. And they actually have a full zip from hip all the way down to the heel, so they're very easy to put on and off, which is great. And then we also have one of our really cool rugged outdoor packs called the Rambler. So it's multi-use and it has buckle closure and zip closure. So you have that aesthetic and the functionality with it. But then we also have our grab and go pouch. So there's multi-use with that, whether you have kiddos having crayons in them for school, you can do calls, you can have your ammo in there as well. So Melissa, in addition to our packs and the shooting sports equipment and the accessories that we talked about, we rounded out with some very quality apparel, which we're really excited to talk about. So a couple of them obviously include the logo beanies, and as we talked about in Minnesota, we have the 4 seasons, so you can use it most of the year here. And it has that exclusive Federal logo on them. And we do have them in multi-colors, and what's great about it is they are a one-size-fits-all, but they're extremely stretchy, and they're incredibly comfortable, and you can wash them.
In addition, we have some custom designed shirts that we work together to bring the best of our heritage together, 240 years. Plus, we brought these designs together to bring the best of Federal and Duluth Pack, and you can get these exclusively online.